Today for the Bitcoin price with DavinciJ15. This is an emergency episode for Bitcoin. And guys, wow, look at this. Bitcoin was just pumping like crazy and not respecting the 9,600 US dollar level. And right now the question everyone is asking is this pump to be sustained? Are we going to reach higher levels according to DavinciJ15, maybe even up to 11,000 US dollars, or will we be rejected once again for the Bitcoin price? We will talk about all of that, about exact price levels with DavinciJ15. So right now we want to come to the most important question of today.
I'm doing great. I'm glad to see Bitcoin breaking out. I'm hoping that we see it break out past 10,000 all the way to 11,000 right away. So that would be great. That would be great to see, but who knows? We got to read the tea leaves and find out where it's going. So how are you doing today, Chris?
Exactly, that's what we are going to do. And yes, I'm doing well. You know, this is a Moonboy channel. I'm a Moonboy. So whenever we see green candles, guys, dude, we are just happy. So let's pull up the charts and see what you have to say, because you have extremely interesting findings for the Bitcoin price, especially regarding the immediate short term. And while we are pulling up the charts, guys, everyone who missed out this video here today, it was our previous video here with the title Insane Pump. Last time Bitcoin flashed these two signals, we pumped 8,400% with BTC. So make sure you watch this video after this video here. In the pinned comment down below, there is a link for you. So DaVinci, yeah, let's go on. And please, what are your findings? Are we going to go higher, and what's your price target?
Yeah, well, it looks like my entry level, right? Well, in our last videos, right, I had an entry level at the 38.2. If I forgot to move this level here, because we did make a new high at this point here, I would not have gotten in. I would have missed it by pennies. But anyways, I would have gotten in here actually. But down here, if I hadn't moved it up to here, oh boy, I would not. The 38.2 would not have hit. So that would have been a sad thing.
But wait, DaVinci, this is a perfect fill up to the exact dollar. This is a perfect fill at the 38.2.
Exactly.
Wow.
And yeah, look at that. That worked out very, very well. I did not wait for the 38.2. I was just tired of missing it, because we missed this trade down here for the short. We missed this one for the long. And so I was thinking, okay, you know what? I'm just going to fill a bunch of orders here as they come down. And that's what I did. And so I've got a bunch of filled orders, and I'm going to look for it to take a target at $10,756. That's basically a 2-to-1 from the entry level of the 38.2, which was $9,079. Now, what I find interesting about that number is that I wish I'd drawn the parking garages, but basically it lines up with the parking garages exactly. So it's very interesting. And what also very interesting as well is that this level as well lines up to close to the parking garages, which is the 61.8, which is the mountain man level, or the golden ratio as well. It's 11,036, right, which is approximately where the parking garages are. So that's interesting. So I think we could probably we're most likely going to turn around at the $11,000 level and then retest it again. So look for like a retest up there. But we do have a little bit of resistance at this point in time here, because this is an actual AB equals CD, which is also a turning point. So we could roll over and at this point, but I don't think so. The high probabilities are that we're going to push a lot higher.
Wow. So DaVinci, what you are saying right now is that, all right, we broke the resistance. What you are saying is that the previous high of 10,400, give or take approximately, you can see it right here, dear viewers, that this will be not respected, and Bitcoin is probably smashing through, not respecting that, and hitting a price level of 10,800, even 11,000 US dollars before we see the next pullback?
Yeah, exactly. So we can move very fast past the $10,000 level. We're probably going to see a little bit of resistance at the $10,000 level, because it is a big fat round number. It is a parking garage level as well. So I would expect a little bit of resistance there, and then once we break above the 10,000, it's straight blue skies all the way to 11. So yeah, wow. That's where we're going. We won't even bother looking at the 7, this level here. I think we'll pretty much ignore it. all the way to 11,000. I mean, we might have a little bit of resistance heading closer to the 11,000, like all this up here, all these wicks, but eventually we'll pull back a little bit and then touch the 11,000 and roll over.
So now for everyone watching, do you think we will hit the 11,000 US dollar level within February, which would give us even more time? Press the poll here on top of the screen right now and say yes or no for 11,000, and also go down to the comment section and leave your personal price target for February in the comment section down below. DaVinci, can we go back into the lovely face mode right now? This was a very important and very quick TA episode here on Bitcoin, and you have something very important to share. Just very quickly for everyone watching right now, if you are in trading, if you are an experienced trader, go down to the pinned comment and there is a link. If you click that link, you get here redirected to Bybit. You can type in your email address and your password, and you get your own personal account and a bonus with our link, only here with our link in the pinned comment. It takes like 24 seconds, but very important, you have to be an experienced trader. But DaVinci, you have something very important to share. It's about Pandora's wallet, but also one special thing, because I saw on Twitter and everywhere, you got some serious gains for altcoins right now. So can you please elaborate a little bit on that?
Yeah, so I'm doing the little lady strategy on the altcoins, and I've noticed that a lot of altcoins are basically on the fueling pad, and you can see the smoke just like coming off of the off of the rocket ship there, and it's just ready to just launch. And I had to I went shopping on a shopping spree, right? And I want to show everybody just a quick example of all the different coins. Okay, so as you can see, right, we have like W's in this area here, and this looks like it was ready to launch. There's volume coming in over here. There's a nice W's here, volume coming in. It's like people are buying these things like crazy. And same with here, a nice W right here and here, right over here as well, even though it went further bit lower than the previous W, but someone just came in and said, hey, you know what, no more down. And so there's a lot of interest in every single altcoin. So yeah, everywhere I was going, I went shopping like crazy on the last few days, and I was sharing all my buys with our Telegram group. We have a Telegram group for the Pandora's Wallet subscribers to show them where to get in so that they can take advantage of my buys and sell half on a double when I do. So if you're interested in that, yeah, just be a Pandora's Wallet subscriber. And right now you can actually be a subscriber for just 1 month and try it out, and just subscribe. You could pay only 1 month subscription, and if you don't like it, it's not useful for you, then you don't have to renew your subscription.
Yes, guys. So if you want to learn more about that, there is a link in the pinned comment in the description as well, pandoraswallet.com. Check it out. Subscribe to it. We checked it out. It is actually a very, very good product, and you get also access to his Telegram group. Of course, always do your own research before you buy into any altcoin. But thank you so much, DaVinci. That was very interesting, especially regarding Bitcoin. And guys, we want to see your comments. We are already looking forward to that. And make sure you smash up the like button. We are trying to get, I don't know, as much as possible likes here on that video. It's for free for you, and it cheers us up a lot. So thank you so much, DaVinci. And yeah, do you have any words to say before we wrap up today's episode?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.